4.4 seconds to 100 in a convertible that starts under 90,000 euros. Inline-six, rear axle steering, and a soft top that opens in 20 seconds at 60 km per hour, around 37 miles per hour. Mercedes killed the C-Class and E-Class coupes to build the CLE. Whether the car that replaced them deserves both badges is the argument this walkaround makes. 75 mm wider than the standard CLE, with flared arches that justify themselves once the 20-inch wheels fill them. The AMG grille with vertical struts and the twin-ridge bonnet reference the 300 SL gullwing. Quad exhausts, a subtle lip spoiler, and the star on the boot lid doubling as the trunk release. From behind, the stance looks earned rather than applied. The interior uses the C-Class dashboard, and that is not a criticism. AMG performance seats with integrated headrests hold your ribcage through corners without hardening on a motorway run. Red contrast stitching traces the seat edges, the dashboard, and the door cards. Carbon fiber and metal trim cover most surfaces. From the driver's seat, it convinces. Press harder on the passenger door card, and the surface quality thins. For reference, the M4 convertible bonds its carbon to a denser substrate. You feel the difference. Picture yourself on a coastal road at 8 in the morning, roof down, reaching for the paddle. Left hand on Nappa leather, right hand pulling the next gear. That is what this interior was built around. The Cabriolet earns one detail no other Mercedes coupe or convertible offers. The 11.9-inch touchscreen tilts up to 40 degrees to cut glare when the roof drops. You notice it the first time the sun moves. The gap between this and the M4 Competition Convertible is roughly 10,000 euros. What it buys is in the verdict. Access to the rear requires folding the front seat forward. Anyone over 1.75 m will feel the roofline with the top up. Legroom handles 2 adults briefly, but this is a 2-seat car with emergency accommodation. The 60/40 rear bench folds to extend the boot. 375 liters roof closed, around 13.2 cubic feet. 285 liters roof down, about 10.1 cubic feet. An electric cargo partition protects the folded top automatically. The opening handles a medium suitcase and a soft bag. For a convertible hiding a roof mechanism in the boot, that is competitive. There is something about the engine that complicates everything I've said so far. 443 horsepower from the 3-liter inline-six with a single turbo, electric auxiliary compressor, and 48-volt mild hybrid. 560 Nm from 2,200 RPM. The electric compressor fills the gap below turbo threshold, so power arrives without hesitation. I changed my mind on this car twice. The second change matters. What the powertrain does not do is sound like a flagship AMG. The inline-six produces a gruff note on startup. In Sport Plus it improves, but the exhaust never delivers the drama the widebody promises. The M4 sounds like an event. This sounds like something very fast that forgot to announce itself. The ride trades in the same direction. 20-inch wheels with 295-section rear tires transmit every surface crack. Even comfort feels brittle over sharp edges. The M440i is less dramatic and more pleasant on broken European roads. 89,388 euros before options. The M4 Competition Convertible costs 10,000 more, gives 31 extra horsepower, a better exhaust, and a ride that absorbs real roads. The Mercedes returns rear axle steering, AIRCAP and AIRSCARF, a screen that tilts against the sun, and a roof that works at nearly twice the speed. This is a grand tourer that borrowed enough from the performance shelf to make straights exciting and corners confident. Whether the inline-six without the V8 soundtrack is enough depends on whether you buy a convertible to hear the engine or to feel the air. That answer is not the one AMG traditionalists want to hear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.